I was thinking how so many of us start our year so inspired and motivated by the new year and setting our intentions and our goals for the year ahead. And then sometimes life gets really busy and we tend to put our intentions and our goals in the back burner. So I wanted to share with you today how to stay committed to your new year intentions and your goals. First, create a vision that inspires you, but at the same time feels something that's achievable, doable, something that's possible for you this year. Then tap into your purpose. Purpose creates passion and it creates power, right? The drive to continue, the will to keep going after what you find most important to you in your life. So, your purpose is your strong why. Why is it that you want to create what you want to create in your life? Why do you want those goals? Why those intentions, right? That big strong why. And when you think about your why, think of why you want this for yourself, but also for your loved ones and everybody in your life that you care about. Go deep with it. Then think about how you want to be. Not just what you want to achieve or create in your life, but how do you want to be? What does that person look like? You can imagine yourself already having what you want and imagine what you would be like. And then you can start being that way. And that's the cool thing about being. You don't have to wait until this X, Y, or that happens, or you get this to be able to be how you want to be. You can start that today, right now, no matter the circumstance. And then think about, how do you want to feel? How will you feel once you create what you want in your life, or you achieve what you want, or you have what you want? How are you going to feel? And feelings really narrow the gap between where we are and where we want to be. And when we can realize that we can experience that feeling now, not when, not if, and we can start taking action and creating what we want from that space, from that feeling, is a much more powerful way. So whether it's you want to feel happy, or maybe once you get what you want, you will feel happy, you will feel fulfilled or at peace or free or successful, whatever that feeling is for you, start to look for ways that you can feel that way in your life right now. I'm sure there's plenty of things that already bring you joy and happiness, same as inner peace or fulfillment. Come back into those things that are already present in your life that make you feel that way, and start cultivating that feeling. And from that space, take action to create what you want. And of course, action is key for creating anything that you want. And a way that I've been doing things now is kind of looking at my ultimate vision, my ultimate goal, and then reverse engineering your way back. Because sometimes if it's a big dream, it might feel really big and overwhelming, but if we can break it down into smaller steps, it's much easier. And when we can, reverse engineer, come back to where we are now and what's our next best step to take towards where we want to go or what we want to create in our lives. So it's kind of creating this success plan for yourself that you can always come back to. If all this resonates with you and you want to take action and put all these things into action and benefit from them, I'm going to be creating a two-part workshop that's going to be all about mapping your vision. So it's going to be all about creating this success plan. Part one is going to be just about our career or business, that portion of our life. And the other part is going to be about our personal side of life, or relationships as well could be included in there. So it's a two-part workshop. It's all about mapping your vision and creating your success plan for this year. So if this interests you, the link is going to be down below or in my Instagram bio. I'm excited to create your success plan and see all the wonderful things that you can create for yourself this year. Go over to the link and sign up.